Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, Christmas home decoration ideas. Light up your Christmas night with the Maison jar printers. Paint them with snowflakes, add fairy lights inside and watch them glow with holiday magic. Simple, cozy and friendly decorate for your home. Turn pin cones into beautiful ornaments. Dip them in glitter, tie a ribbon and hang them on your Christmas tree. Nature meets spark for the perfect festive touch. Recycle your bottle caps into mini snowman. Paint stick and add a tiny scarf for airdrop. Handmade decoration, fun to make and perfect for kids to bring holiday cheer to any room with paper star. Cut, fold and string them into a garden that spirits Christmas magic all around your home. Make memories this Christmas. Make salt tongue ornaments, shapes them into trees, bell and heart. Then paint them in festive colors. A beautiful way to decorate and creative keepsake. No need for snow. Make your own snowman with the socks. Fill it with rice. Tie it with ribbon and add buttons for a cute, cozy Christmas friends. Bring the sentence for Christmas into your home. Tie cinnamon stick with red ribbon and add them ornaments or table decorate. It's festive and super easy. Recycle jar, snow globes. Turn old jar into magical snow globes. Add tiny trees, sparks of glitter and water for a sparkling Christmas scenes that feels straight out of a fairy tale. Cut, stitch and creative. Make glitter stars, stocking or and from colorful